I will have fun. Thank you, baby. I love you. Thank you for everything. Yeah, it looks like ads are done. So we can roll into this. So today's I forgot to start the playlist. Hold on. We have fun music playlist. I just got home from work and wanted to jump right into this, but I'm still learning the rhythm of stuff, so let's do this. Oh, it is trying to play on my phone. Let's play on the computer. How about that? There we go. Hell yeah. And final thing I gotta do, alert the Discord now that ads are over. So we'll go stream alarm, ad viewer, ads are gone. Come on in. And I'll do the normal thing of tagging my channel so everybody can just jump right on into the fun. Awesome. Okay. So, today's goal with stream is our text. So I'm not sure if you guys saw the stuff in the Discord. I'll actually dox the Discord for just a second to show this to you guys. So, basically here in work in progress. So we got two examples. We have this badass right here where the font is really nice. It's thin, it's gentle, but on this like brighter background for like the indigo color, because I'm still playing with if I want to actually use the violet color or not. But that's a last minute thing. That doesn't really matter right now. So, a couple options. We have this. The text looks really clean. There's no SDF. I forget what the acronym is, but for GameMaker, it's basically just a type of format where you can use code to create like borders and backgrounds and shit. So this was SDF disabled. But then if you do with an outline, if you look at it closely, you can see that it gets like really blurry and does not look great. Because again, that doesn't happen with this guy as much when you zoom in. Like there's a little bit of blur, but that's just because of image distortion of me snipping and clipping something onto Discord. But with this, you can already see a little bit of blur where like your eyes almost feel like itchy looking at it. And then zooming in, it just becomes like abhorrent. So there's a couple ways to try to like work around this, and we're gonna work on that today. So we're actually just gonna jump right in and we're gonna test it. Where do I want to test it? Parent object dialog. Probably the best place to try it. So do I have to set the color? That's something I gotta figure out with this now. Also, is the music overpowering me? Doesn't look like it is. I'm looking on OBS and I should have a little bit over it, but I'll pull it down just a little to make sure. There we go. So, draw set font, draw set align. So I'm doing a draw event of drawing text. And I'm doing it at all the correct dimensions. And I'm doing it in white. So do I have to draw set color? There it is. Yep. Okay, I think I know how to do this because code reads in the order that it's set. So top code performs before lower code. So I think what I have to do is go right here. So it's like draw set font and all this, right? We go draw set. Can we stop yelling? Jiminy. Draw set color. And then we're going to go color black. So now, if I did that correctly, when we play our game, all of our font will be black. So we're going to test that by loading up the game real quick. And it's all black! We did it! Actually, that doesn't look too bad either. So, like, if we end up not getting this border stuff to work, I think that this would be perfectly fine. Actually, it really doesn't look bad. Oh, I have it full screen, so it's being goofy. Get out! Okay, so, now here's my plan. So, I'm actually going to set myself just a reminder right here of direct text diameter 16500. So this is literally just a line of like text that's just information so I know what the hell I'm doing. So now what we'll do is, because up and over is closer. So now we basically need to draw this text like 8 more times. And then just follow me with what I'm doing, right? So it's like if I do like 15, 50, right? So it's like our x coordinate. So it's x and y coordinate. So x is pulling us more. I'm sorry, this is mirrored and I'm going to screw my head up. But if I understand this correctly, I basically have to draw the black font out in 1 pixel in every direction, and then we draw white right on top of it. And while this is not optimal, and I learned in the Game Maker Discord how to do it more optimally, this is what we're going to start with. So we're going to do this, and we're going to move forward. Wait, did Brittany donate? Oh, she subscribed. That's right, she got gifted a sub. Okay, so if that's the case, that's 1 over. So now we want 1 over and 1 up. And then, so 1 over up. Now we just want 1 up. Yeah, okay, got it. I think this is gonna work. I think we're gonna get this. Actually, let's just see how this looks so far. Let's just see if this just makes a delightfully smeared mess, because that's exactly what we want it to do. Yes, it's working. It's starting to smear it. This is really good. I am curious why it's blurring some of them and not others, though. Others look like they're just getting smashed really hard. And then this line is not getting... Oh, you know what? It's probably because of the align. Gotcha. Yeah, because it's got the center and the middle alignments. So we'll see how that goes. I might have to remove those. Maybe we'll just do middle. Maybe we won't do center. Yeah, we'll figure that out. Actually, we can test it for science right now. If we remove one of those, does that make this work a little bit better? Nope, still kind of the same effect. Well, let's complete it because we've only done like literally like half the circle. So maybe when we complete it, it'll look better. So, okay, so we've done over, up, on top. So now we need to do other in the other direction. Okay, yep, I got this. And then this will rotate it like a clock. And then we'll do this to bring it back down. And then this to make it further down. 4. Yeah, 15,500. Right? Because that's just going to move it 1 pixel over. And then 1 pixel up. And then 1 pixel over. Another pixel over. Back to starting value. Below starting value. Back to where it is. Oh, yeah. So, wait, is that correct then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That should do it, right? That should make the loop that I'm trying to make. But then this line is still... Oh, I wonder what's going on there. Oh, you know what? I know why I'm doing this wrong, because these are not the values that need to change. These are the values that need to change. Well, because we need to literally go like this and go x minus 1, right? And then y is normal. Y minus 1. Yeah, I was just hitting the wrong stuff. So the reason this was working then is because I was changing the separation degrees and everything. That is a total my bad. That's hilarious. Okay, so minus 1, both minus 1, now just minus 1. Well, I have to be such a spatial worker to make this work. Minus 1. Oh, minus 1 and plus 1. Right? Minus 1. I'm totally gonna write a script for this later because I feel so goofy. Like, I'm literally, guys, I'm like drawing a box around myself to figure it out spatially. So like x minus 1 goes over. And then y stays the same. Then it becomes, y becomes a lesser value because it's going towards 0. So this is my minus 1 corner. Now x can be a normal value because y is above me. Now x can be an increased value, but y is still minus 1. And now x has to be an increased value and y can stay the same. And now x is an increased value, and so is y. And then y stays as an increased value, x stays the same. Right? No. It still needs to be y plus 1, and it'll be x minus 1. There we go. And then these all need to go back to... Okay. I got this. I was accidentally playing with the arguments that changed the separation barrier, which is why everything was, like, blurring funny, and I thought that it was working, and it wasn't, because I was literally targeting the wrong set of code. And that is why I love that I've been getting better at coding, because I'm being able to start catching that stuff more easily, instead of being like, I don't know what's happening. So, if this worked correctly, we will have a mushy pile of black that will not be readable. Yes! So check this out, right? It's all black, and you can kind of see what it says, right? You're like, okay, I can slap with that a little bit. And then we go back in here. And we go draw, set, color, right? And then we go C underscore white. And then we go draw, text, ext at X, Y. And it's trying to autocomplete for us because it's helpful. Story text, comma, 16500. Are you guys ready for this? This is gonna look so good. I'm so excited! This is gonna look good. This is gonna look good. Yes! Look how good that looks! We are gods in our own playground. Yes! Ha ha ha! Coding. Please understand, for anyone who's watching coding, this is incredibly inaccurate because I am drawing the same instance of text 9 times. This is not optimal, and in your bigger projects, this will cause issues. But for our cute little choose-your-own-adventure game, finger guns. Oh, and we got the secret ending. Whoops, just kidding. You guys didn't see that. Okay. That looks so good, too. Oh, Malanta. I love this. This is what we're going to be running for our smaller projects for the time being. While we do micro games, I'm going to run this. And then when we start making our bigger games, I will move away from this. But I am so happy with how this looks. Like, it catches the corners of everything. The middles are still empty. And, like, the corners, like, are a little bit blockier than they should be. But it still makes it very pixelated. So I am very happy with how that turned out. So now we get to copy this entire fucking block of text. And then we'll go object choice. And then right here. What was I doing here? Hold on, I want to make sure I don't fuck anything up. So this is for my object choice object. And if I go up to here and just go... Oh, but I need to use a different variable, not story text. My bad. What's it called here? Choice text. My bad. My bad. Yeah, oh, no, not choice text, just choice text. That'll be fine. And just to make this a little quicker, we'll copy this, and then we'll just kind of, like, rapid fire paste. And then we'll test this, and this should give us some good-looking border text. And again, this isn't, like, super important, but I do want the game to look nice since it's going to be our first Steam release. Okay, so if this works, ... now everything will be outlined and look super. Oh, it did not work. Why did you not work? Set font color black. Oh, because of the separations and stuff. Oh, you know what? Uh-oh. Please tell me I can redo all this. Perfect. Okay, so I will have to fix the format a little bit. This isn't too bad, though. I'm getting the hang of it. Because I don't have to do separations and stuff. We just have to set the... Okay. Why am I doing +1? Oh, because I wanted to off-center it a little bit. That's right. I remember that. Okay, so we literally need to... Oh, that won't be terrible. It'll be a little obnoxious, but this will be easy. So we're going to go draw, set, Again, this is not optimal. Kids, don't try this at home. Okay. Okay, so... So we did +1. So now all the numbers just have to be off by 1. Oh, my brain can't handle that. With coding, I didn't know there would be numbers. No thanks. Okay, so to the left. So we need it to be x minus 1 plus 1. And then it'll be minus 1 plus 2. And then it'll be... So, over, up. Now it'll be normal x. Okay, gotcha. So this is still plus 2. Now this will be x plus 1 with y plus 2. And then this will be... Continuing to be plus 1? Yeah, this will be plus 1 for the rest. Right. Minus 1, normal, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, normal, minus 1 again. Okay. Okay, there we go. Wait. I'm hiccuping myself. Hold on. I'm gonna get back to this real quick. So, minus 1. Minus 1. Normal. Plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1. Normal. Minus 1. So then for y, it needed to be plus 1. Plus 2. Plus 2. Plus 2. Plus 1. Not. Okay. Okay, that should work for what we need. And then we'll go draw, set, color. White. I'm just glad that I've gotten to the point where I can be this competent with it. This is super fun. There we go. So now if I did this correctly, hold on. Why is it not showing up? Did I screw something up? I think I screwed something up, chat. Hold on. Oh. It did not inherit its draw event from its parent. So let's try this then. Because these all are, like, if we go parent, it is object choice. The object I just rewrote. But the problem is now that I've, like, completely changed it up, for some reason, it wasn't inheriting that. I guess that makes sense. Maybe it doesn't. I'm still learning how to code. Okay, so literally all these things have is the choice text being quit game, settings, and start adventure. So we will literally just delete these objects. Goodbye, yes. Goodbye, yes. Goodbye, yes. And then we will go Alt-O. And we will drag that object up here right next to object 7. We will give it a parent of object choice. There we go. And then we will call this object, where are you? Where is your name? There is your name. OBJ start. Exactly. Then start adventure. Awesome. And it should be calling in. Okay, so then let's go to rooms. Title screen. And go OBJ start. It's not referencing the sprite. Why is OBJ start not? Is the sprite not part of the... I'm overthinking it. It's fine. And I want snap, please. Is there a hotkey for that? There isn't, that I can see anyways. There we go. Okay, let's try this. Let's see if it works now. If it doesn't work now, I'm going to be a little stumped. There we go. Yeah, buddy. We've got funds. Okay, sick. That's interesting, though, because it worked for the... Oh, no. Oh, thank God. Okay, I thought that I did this not... I thought I did it on the object dialog. Wait, that's so weird. Uh-oh. I wonder if that's going to be a problem. Let's make another room real quick. Duplicate. Right, Control D. There we go. We'll call this one 2A. So when you click on this object, this is origin choice 1, and it's gonna go left down, confirm room go to branch origin. We are now gonna go to branch 2A. No, we're not. Why are we not? We're right up. Ah! That's not what I wanted. That's all right. Audio, play, sound. Confirm? Yeah, it's confirm. There we go. There we are. And then room underscore go to. And we're gonna go to branch 2A. For some reason, that's not showing up either. 2A. Why are you not detecting that as a room? That is peculiar. Is the code predicting it now? No? Interesting. And then just so that we can confirm that this is a different room, we're gonna do that. And we're gonna get rid of this. There we go. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, and the text works perfectly too. Because it's still doing the X and Y values of the... Oh, that's good. We no longer have text that's... Okay, that's good. That's super good. Hell yeah. Okay. So that's weird that I had to overwrite the... Like, I had it as room go to. It's just like it's not updating or something. That's very interesting, but that's okay. Okay, so we got our outline object figured out. So that's huge for our... One of our big goals for today. Maybe we do green. Green feels more positive, like. Do a big old smiley face. Yeah, we did it. Okay, sick. It's one goal down. We want to build more code today too, but while I'm working on these parent objects, we might get stuck a little bit having to redo some stuff we already did. Duplicate, duplicate. And then we'll go to this one. Left down. Yeah, that's so... Oh, it's because there's a lock. How do I unlock the lock? There's gotta be a way for me to do that. Open parent event? There we go. Got it. Wait, no. No. Okay, we're good. Is it end game? Terminate. Close. Hold on. I forgot what the code is for closing the game. Game maker code to close game. Oh, game end. Crazy. Game end. Boop. Go. Or I could do this because I've been wanting to use the sound effect. What? Cool. There we go. So I could go alarm. Ooh. Set. Alarm set. Alarm. Yeah. Right? Am I doing that right? No. Oh, I did an alarm though. How did I do that other alarm? Hold on. Object 9. Room go to branch ending. Alarm set. Oh, that's the number of the alarm and then how many frames. My bad, I'm doing this wrong. Okay, cool. I got this. So we go back to, where was I? Oh, this, where I'm trying to quit the game. No. It was here or was it there? Yeah, here we go. So we want to do alarm 0. And then we want to do what? 45? Yeah, I think that would be good. Hey, stop that. There's got to be a way for me to not have to do this every time. Open parent event. There we go. Alarm set 0:45. Wonder if that'll be enough. We'll see that. Function alarm. This function can be... Oh, it's upset because there's no alarm right now. Okay. But we are going to create an alarm. Left down. Alarm 0. There we go. And then where's my alarm 0? Alarm 0. Oop. Why aren't you... Give me access. I'm learning that parent objects are a little bit more difficult than I thought. Why is it not letting me type in there? I guess it doesn't like that I'm trying to create... Hold on. Open editor. Where's my alarm 0? There we go. Yeah, because it's let me manipulate the draw event, the left down, the mouse center. It's let me manipulate everything except for the alarm 0. Open parent. There we go. Game end. There we go. Okay, let's see if that works. That could be fun. Oh, we need to give it a better name too. Game. There we go. Title screen. We'll put this bad boy right there. And we will rename it because that's confusing. We will rename it to OBJ Quit. There we go. There we are. Why is it not ending that? Oh, because if you click it multiple times... Okay, so maybe it's too long of a window then, because it's 3/4 of a second. So maybe it literally just needs to be like... Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can play with this a little bit. That's going to get really annoying. Like, what if I just literally set it for a single frame? Will we hear it? Hey, how are you, face? Nope, that's not enough. I'm trying to create a window of time. So I don't like that it replays. If audio is playing, SFX quit. Do not audio play sound. SFX quit. Oh, it doesn't have arguments. It's mad at me. Sorry. No. I'll make it make sense in a second. We're okay. We're okay. There we go. Oh, dude, I had a pretty long day at work, too. And I've just been having, like, a rough time with, like, some awesome, horrible news that I got. And I'm trying not to have, like, a meltdown about it, but... Is it? Oh, did I hit play? Oh, I didn't hit play. My bad. What happened with your day, though? I want to hear your day. Uh-oh. My game's not compiling. Are there errors happening that I can't see? Object choice event left down at line 6. I appreciate that. It's super good seeing you in chat, and like we should like at some point when I'm not super busy, we should like catch up. I'm gonna look up something real quick. Game Maker manual. Video is playing. Ooh, that might be what I need. Okay, so this is cool. The audio can either be a single instance of a sound. The next for individual sounds being played can be stored in a variable when using the audio play sound at, audio play sound on, and audio play sound extensions or sound output, which in case are all instances of a given sound. It was just slow and I got sluggish towards the end, but right side, I'm getting a new job soon. Hell yeah, what's the new job? Excited about that for you. And I hate it when a day is sluggy. Like, I get really lucky that I work at a grocery store where I'm literally trained in 6 departments, so when I finish one thing, I literally don't even ask management. I just go do the next thing, and everyone knows I'm being productive. So it's kind of nice that I get to just kind of fly around. Audio play sound. Happy noise. No, I'm trying to figure out, basically, maybe this will be it. Audio stop all its function stops. Okay. This function stops all sounds that are currently playing. This includes sounds that have been paused during audio pause sound or audio pause all. So we'll remove any queued buffers on audio playback for each event. Basically, I'm trying to figure out, like, when, like, I'm doing an if statement that's like, if audio is playing, don't let other audio play. And I'm trying to remember how I set it up, but I might look at my old project because I have an old, here, we'll save. Be a supplier quality engineer, I'll get to travel a bit more and it's a bit more pay. Hell yeah. As long as the hours are good and you don't mind it, that sounds awesome, dude. Where is empowered? There you are. Give me that. I have the audio code written here in empowered, so we'll just look at this real quick. Button? Okay. If audio is playing. Okay. This goes, because this game was, I had someone basically like force feed me the code, so I'm still learning this stuff. Yeah, I did, right? It's good. Like, it's good to reference your old code to be like, oh! So, I don't care about the image speed. All these sounds are put into the array. The sound pool is the array shuffle, is like, it shuffles the array of all these sounds. This makes sense, and this is really good for me to reference to. Sound is -1, so that must be a variable, so audio isn't playing. So -1 equals array pop sound pool. Audio play sound equals false. If mouse button released. So that makes sense. Why? Okay, I can grip my head around this. Audio play sound. Because like this is saying if the array length is equal to 0, like you're not, because if it was 1 equal, you'd be setting it to 0, but this is saying if it equals 0, then you need to reshuffle the sound pool. So I totally get that. The image index is referring to the button, so I don't need to worry about that. All the array stuff. So I think what I need to figure out is if audio is playing sound. So this is basically saying if audio is not playing. So if this is a value of 1, I think I know how to do this. Maybe there's a semicolon missing. Well, I think I know how to do this because this is a value of -1. So this is basically saying if your value isn't -1, meaning it's 0 or any other value, because this array starts at 0 and then just rolls through all of these. So it's saying if it isn't -1, meaning if sound is playing, this is how this translates, is if sound is playing. I don't know. We're going to go back to the other project. Because I want to get this shit running. Because, like, as soon as I get these couple nuts and bolts done. Fun fact, semicolons aren't needed in GML. You can leave them out and it's fine. Mash! In my chat? Let's go. Oh, dude. Mash, I want you to check this out. I was super proud of this just now. I asked Pixelated Pope about this. So, it's right... Here we go. In parent object. So this is me doing old school border text. So instead of using, it's like Maru's like outline shader. I'm doing it the old way where you basically just offset it in 8 directions. And then when you play the game, hold on, wait for it. Oh, wait, that's right. I forgot. There's a malformed statement. Hold on. I got to fix this. Object choice event. Down at line 6, malformed statement. Where are you? Hold on, I'll find it. Left down, line 6, there we go. Oh, this is because I was trying to do the if audio is playing thing. So we will redo that. But this is what I wanted to show you, Mash. Sorry. So, I made outlines for my stuff. And again, in a bigger game, this would not be optimized at all, and I understand that, but... Oh. Oh no, did I accidentally overwrite my code? Egad! Oh no, it overwrote. If it works, it's fine. No, I think I just fucked up my parent objects, though. Hold on. I think I was goofing off too much, and I think I screwed something up. 1 second. Because it should be parent object, object choice. So this alarm needs to get out of here, because I don't need this for... That was supposed to be in the child object, not the parent object. So now, if we go back to start, that alarm should be gone. Okay, cool. My bad. I definitely want to get a little bit more at just to make sure that my game. Why are you? Hold on. I screwed something up now. I was playing with this object earlier, and I think I screwed something up. Left down now just plays this sound. Okay, so confirm. That's fine. We don't need the alarm set, but we do need room. Go to branch origin. Okay, so that'll be good. Now I can show you what I was working on. Hey, hi Derp, how are you? There we go. This is what I was trying to show you. Is I built, like, again, very simple code, but it wraps around and it looks clean, and I'm really excited about that. So, yeah. I know, Derp, this is like giga late for you. I'm sorry, dude. Yeah, just, again, small thing for my Choose Your Own Adventure, but now it's... Like, because, again, I was showing this off earlier, where it's, like, when I was using SDF, you can see the blur on it, and the border, like, looks like it cuts out. Like, you can see right here on the S, it, like, cuts into it. On the E's, it does it pretty bad, too, and didn't look super great. And then when I do it without a font, my girlfriend was like, hey, I'm going to be playing this game, and that hurts my eyes. And so, it was just really nice. Like, when I showed her this, she was like, I like that, but I get that it's blurry, and that won't look good. And I was like, cool. So... Oh, ew. I mean, like, where's she going? Like, that's awesome, though. You're taking good care of your wifey. That's important. Okay, so let's get back to where we were at. So the dialog box is working just fine. Are we use a parent branch? Yes. Okay, awesome. Oh, yeah, I should hydrate. Wait, aren't you just supposed to remove interpolation? I tried interpolation, and, like, because... Hold on, let me make sure I have interpolation off, and then I saw someone new in chat, and I want to say hi to them. I'm pretty sure I had turned off interpolation. Be kind, fourth reading impaired. Yeah. But, right, no, like... I want to make sure that it's accessible. Accessibility is, like, my whole thing. Okay, so game settings. Where are you? It's not in template info. Am I in the right place, Smash? I'm sorry. I'm still learning this stuff. And you get in here and I get all excited. Because it'd be hilarious if it was just I forgot to turn off interpolation. Bring forth thy glasses of clarity. Let the eyes gaze upon the truth. Just get in the upper right corner. I see this. I see targets. Hey, book lover. Oh my god, there's a whole bunch of people. I know. How are you? I've been talking to your sister a lot lately. Game options? No, it's the same thing. Oh, okay. Click that. Then Windows. What? Clicking it. Oh, the game is alright. No, you're open. Game on. Wait. Oh. Found it. Got it. Thanks, Game Dad. Graphics. Okay, we want to turn that off, right? Hold on, but... Yeah, interpolation. Okay, so maybe that'll fix it too. Yeah. Oh, apply. Okay, there we go. And now my screen for Southern only has like 3.5 stars. Yikes, absolutely not. Soda's bad enough for you as it is. If it doesn't taste good or it's got bad reviews, that just doesn't seem like a good sign. Okay. Yeah. I did get one of my stream goals done. The other one, this one's like pretty easy, we're talking about the new schedule just because I'm going to start streaming another day, and I'm going to be, like, updating the Instagram and Blue Sky socials a bit more often. And then this is the only other thing we want to do is build more code. True, I don't drink soda anymore, Mash. Soda's so bad for you. Here we go. So... for a long time, even still, I try not to drink it much. Yeah, I feel that. Okay, so we've got this for our enums and our audio groups loading. Globals for the secret endings, so that's good. And we have this turned off now because we don't have SDF turned on right now because we're doing our old school. And I really like how the old school one looks better anyway, so I think we're just going to stick to this for now. No, I would definitely hit you up for some art book. Like, I think that would be really awesome. We need to get, like... We need to, like, sit down and hang out soon, though, because I feel bad. I really want to start doing more community stuff, like, with small groups and the community as a whole. So, which one is this supposed to be? Is this supposed to be my settings one? Settings. And then we'll name that OBJ settings. Okay. And then quit game. Okay, so you have a parent object. But can I create an alarm for you and play with it in just the child? Yes. This is now where I can do game _end. And then we can add to our left down. We can do... No, we can't. Override event? There we go. Okay. Call from, after school will be up soon. Hell yeah. You'll donate exactly one sprite. I would love that. I'll hide it somewhere or I'll utilize it for something. That'd be fantastic. Basic dumped my art sets into concept design, background illustration. My skills are crazy now. That's awesome. How do you do with, like, pixel styled stuff, Book? Because honestly, Book, I'd like to get my hands more on your music than your, like, pixel or, like, your art. But your art is equally good. Just music is what I need. I think I'm going to try and get an hour of sleep in, do an afternoon stream one of these days. I think I will, ma'am. Tuesdays and Wednesdays I have free in my schedule to, like, hang out with Brittany. She gives me a lot of free time on Wednesdays, though, so I might start doing, like, an earlier day. Skill tree is art, sound, coding, silly goose. Ooh, yeah, Book, you should, put some pictures of your pixel art in the Discord or DM me with them. I'd love to see your stuff. Because I could honestly use a pixel artist for, like, the background, like the actual huge illustrated stuff. Like, I can do the dorky, like, dungeon design where you're closer in, but then, like, the mountainscape or all of Chromatia. You know, it's like, and I know that Brittany comes first. So left down, we'll go alarm, set 0, oh, not O, set 0 for, like, 15. And then audio, play, sound, SFX, quit, 1, 0, there we go. I always forget the sound arguments. So that, of course, plus my previous XP and making custom MC stuff, I got lots. My recent stuff is on my school laptop, but I think I got some old Minecraft work. Yeah, just whenever, Book, I would love to see it. Like, it's cool seeing more of the community pop out to say, hey, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, the first half of the stream was super chilled, like 2-3 viewers. Now I'm up to 8, and I'm like super like, whoa, where's everybody been? Let's go. So, Mash, if this is an easy question, I'm trying to figure out how to make sure that this sound, after you press it, I don't want the player to be able to press it again. Like, I want you to, like, quit game, and then it doesn't go and, like, make the noise a million times. Because it's doing that right now. And I gotta figure out how to fix that, because that sounds horrible on the ears. I'll throw it in there with a new track I'm workshopping if you like. Just tell me where. Where should we put it? In the community channels. Any of the community channels would be fine. Because, like, aren't you... Pretty sure you're in those. Yeah, hold on. I'm checking your roles real quick to see if you have the community channels. You don't. Okay, I just opened up a bunch more channels for you on the Discord. Post it in one of those. Hey! I'm here to lurk. No audio copy. Okay, hold on. Hi, RC. So you can check if it's playing, and if it is, don't press it. Okay. So basically do like a if... Wait, hold on. Wait, why is it it locked itself. Also, you can change it to left pressed down, so the event registers once you press. Oh, so not left down, but just left pressed? Change event? Oh. Left pressed. Ah ha ha ha! Watch out, world. I'm just having fun, just being like... Oh, that's not what you were supposed to do. Oh, because it no longer... Because we don't have the alarm yet. My bad. Alarm. Alarm 0. Where are you, Alarm 0? You were supposed to end the game. You were not supposed to take us to another room. Oh. That's there. Oh, because... Oh my god, it still has this whole thing. Ah, kill it! It was doing multiple things. There we go. Wow, left pressed is on the first frame, left is pressed only. Oh, sick. Also, sorry I'm not around much either. Been busy lately. I finished a 30-second sample anime. No, you're, like, I don't want anyone feeling bad for not being around. Like, there was a part of me. Yes, that's what I wanted. Thank you, Mash. Awesome. Now we can end the game, and it sounds super clean. Okay, love that. So I might want to change those to... Because I have mouse enter, mouse leave, but maybe those need to change to left pressed instead of left down. Because left down makes sense to me that it's like, if you had something in a video game where you're like charging in an attack, like this game I'm going to have some skills that like are charging an attack, or like a gun where you're constantly shooting it, you want left down because you're firing multiple bullets, but left press is you click it and it does a thing once. Yeah. Or arrow. Okay. Following. Awesome. Okay, cool. So let's actually go to parent objects real quick and... What the hell? Wait, that's so crazy. Like, Mash, I might be dumb, but like, I thought that you could make a parent object, make children, and then just kind of like fuck around with the child as you needed, and I feel like that has been creating issue. Like, I feel like I've been screwing stuff up. I just made every mistake. Yeah, well, and I feel like that's a good way to learn, Match. It's like, if you just keep fucking up, then like eventually you're like gonna nail it. Okay, and I got my create event, draw event, so I just need to, I guess, just recreate the mouse left pressed, not left down. There we go. I guess I'll just go back to the object. There we go. That's Scram, but keep up the good work. I will, Mash. Thank you. Hi, Jam. Don't start. I've already got it typed out. Okay, so the parent object of the object choice, left pressed. I guess I might just have to make like a couple like a couple objects, like make one for quitting and then make one. Thank you, Jam, that made me laugh. Okay, so audio play SFX, or audio play SFX confirm 10. Wait. Oh, audio play sound goofy. There we go. And room. Go to room. Just gonna go to. Man, I want to go watch Artosis now, Jam. Get out of my head. I love Artosis. So if I do that, right? Is that going to screw up this object now? No, because it's not considered part of the parent now. So maybe I should just make a second object for this, because I think I'm confusing myself. So let's just do... Well, and at that point... You know what? No, don't do that. I don't need this object. Because instead of trying to make this a child that follows all the same rules, it should just not have a parent. Because I am literally just screwing myself up by having it have a parent. Because it doesn't need to have a parent. None. There we go. And, like, I'll still use a lot of the same code, but... Stuck the stuff in community promo channel from whenever you got time? Absolutely. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Haha. The sword is sick. I dig that. And I'll definitely check out that music. Actually, Book, do you have an issue with me playing the music on stream right now? We could listen to it. I could pause the music we're listening to, and I could just turn that on while we code for the next few minutes. So I still need the draw event. Can I, like, copy? I can copy events, and then I can just paste the event. Wait, how do I paste event? Do I... Well, that doesn't help me. Oh, go for it? Awesome, cool. Okay, we'll pause this. And then Discord, and then... Let me know if it's too loud or too quiet. I'm gonna do a draw event. That's not what I wanted. Oh. Oh, it scared me. I thought I accidentally just deleted all of this code that I need. OBJ quit. It's not a long track, and keep in mind it's still work in progress, so mixing isn't done. No, you're fine. Still sounds phenomenal. I will turn it down a little bit, but not too much. Okay, so that works really well, and it closes the game. We get the sound effect, so that's really good. Okay. Is all my code working? My code may or may not be working. Variable unknown object choice text, not set before reading it. Draw event for object quit. Oh, add variable. I need to add the string. My bad. Boop. And we'll go choice, text. We'll go quit game. There we go. My bad. This should work better now. Yep, game didn't crash. Oh, it doesn't have the hover over stuff though, so mouse enter and mouse leave. Okay, so we'll go audio, play sound, SFX hover, 1.0, caret, and then we'll go image alpha equals 0.7. And then mouse leave, image alpha oops, equals 0.0. Okay, that should be everything for object quit. Nice. All right. Create event. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to do that. Okay, so hold on. I gotta also do a create event for that. If OS browser equals not browser, not a browser. Destroy instance. Myself. What is the... I'm trying to remember how to destroy myself.